You've heard it a million times. Buy real estate, it's the fastest way to build wealth. It's a mantra repeated by financial gurus, successful investors, and even your neighbor who just bought a second property. The allure of real estate is undeniable, but what they don't tell you are the hidden pitfalls that can turn your dream investment into a financial nightmare. Is how fast it can destroy your finances, if you're not careful. The reality is, without proper knowledge and preparation, you could find yourself drowning in debt. Insert visuals, mansion, broken sink, eviction notice, stressed person at desk. Online it looks easy. Social media is filled with success stories of people who seemingly struck gold overnight. You buy a house, rent it out, and cash flows start rolling in. It sounds like a foolproof plan, right? But here's what they won't show you: the sleepless nights and the stress that comes with managing properties. The tenants who stop paying rent. It's not just about losing income, it's about the legal battles and the time-consuming eviction processes. The unexpected repairs that cost thousands. A broken pipe, a damaged roof, or even a faulty electrical system can quickly eat into your profits. The 2 a.m. phone calls when the water heater bursts. Emergencies don't wait for business hours, and as a landlord, you're always on call. And the banks? They don't care about your dream. They're not interested in your struggles or your plans. They want their money every single month. Miss a payment and you could face foreclosure. Most beginner investors make 3 big mistakes. Mistakes that can be easily avoided with the right knowledge and strategy. 1. Buying in bad neighborhoods. The promise of high returns can be tempting, but these areas often come with high risks. You might cash flow at first, but maintenance, vacancies, and crime will eat you alive. 2. Over-leveraging. Taking on too much debt works until interest rates rise. Taking on too much debt works until interest rates rise. When that happens, your monthly payments can skyrocket, putting you in a precarious financial position. 1. Chasing passive income too soon. The idea of earning money while you sleep is appealing, but it's not the reality for most new investors. Real estate is not passive. It requires active management, especially in the beginning. At least, not in the beginning. You'll be dealing with repairs, tenant issues, and financial management. Without reserves, experience, and strategy, it's a gamble, not an investment. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. So, is real estate still worth it? Yes. But only if you go in with your eyes wide open and treat it like a business. But only if you treat it like a business. This means doing your homework, understanding the market, and being prepared for the challenges. Here's how smart investors succeed. They don't rely on luck or shortcuts. They buy below market value. This gives them a cushion and increases their chances of making a profit. They invest in stable, growing neighborhoods. These areas offer better long-term prospects and fewer headaches. They keep 3-6 months of reserves. This financial buffer helps them weather unexpected expenses and vacancies. And they think long-term, not quick flips. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Real estate builds wealth, slowly, with discipline. It's about making smart, informed decisions and being patient. So before you chase those real estate dreams, take a moment to understand the full picture. Make sure you know the truth behind the hype. Educate yourself, seek advice from experienced investors, and be prepared for the challenges. Because if you do it right, it can change your life. Real estate can offer financial freedom and security. If you do it wrong, it can ruin it. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards for those who are prepared. Want more no-fluff videos like this? Subscribe, like, stay informed, and make better investment decisions, and share this with someone who thinks real estate is always easy. Let's spread the truth about real estate investing.